everyone, it's Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay, and I have my wonderful helpers with me. Who are you?
Alex. Ella.
And we are cooking with kids, cooking with Christine and the kids in the kitchen today. So today we are going to be making some donuts, okay? And I have my wonderful Minnie and Mickey helpers with me today. I got these recipes off of Cooking Classy.
Daddy.
All right. So we have all of our ingredients out. We are going to get started. Here we go. We preheated our oven to
We have sugar.
What, Ella? What did we preheat our oven to?
Donuts.
350. Very good. 350. 350. So a lot of things that we're going to be doing today is
We're gonna make donuts.
we're going to make donuts, but we are going to talk about like saying the correct measurements and helping the kiddos help you in the kitchen. All right. So we're going to mix together. We're going to whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and for 20 seconds. So we're going to grab our bowl. We're going to push these to the side here. Push our eggs. We need 1.5 cups of flour. So what we're going to do, yep, you guys can help. So we're going to grab our flour. I'm just going to grab it from here and you guys can put it in, okay? Grab our flour. We're going to flatten it off here so we don't get too much.
Can I
Because if you can use a butter knife too. All right, Alex, do that one.
And I'll do the
Dump it
next
in.
one.
Put it in our bowl.
Wait,
Very good.
Can I flatten it too, Mom?
Wait, I gotta find a half cup. All right, let's find our half cup. Well, we can just use that one. So you could use 2 quarter cups, and that will give you a half cup. So that's what we're gonna have to do.
Oh, Mommy.
Okay.
I can
So
do
there's
that.
1 quarter. Go ahead and dump it in.
No, but
All right,
you're
don't
doing
worry.
this one.
You're gonna do another one, and then we're gonna do another quarter. We'll do a little bit. So Ella just asked if we can play with the flour. And whenever I cook with them, I do let them play with the flour with some sprinkles. Hold on, I think this one's
And chocolate.
And chocolate.
And we
Just
make
kind of
things.
let them have some fun while
Can
we're
we play
cooking.
some fun?
All right, ready? Dump that in. All right, 1.5 cups or 1.5 cups of flour. Yes. 3/4 teaspoon. Don't touch it.
No.
Baking powder. So this is a 1/4 cup, and we are going to do 3 teaspoons of those. So 3 of these. So we are going to, hey everyone, if you're watching, let me know who's here. Yes, ready? And there's a little catch here, so we can just, very good, dump 1 in. We need 3 of these.
Oh, can I do mine now?
This is a 1/4 teaspoon. All right, Ella, dump 1 in. And if there's a 3 in front of it, that means 3/4 or 3/4.
Alex's turn.
That means we just need to do 3 of these. There you go, Alex's turn.
Can we please play with the flour now?
In a minute, let's finish. Whenever it's baking, you guys can do flour.
Yay!
All right, then we need baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So we're gonna do this one again. All right, and there we go. Ella's turn. Ella's turn. Alex, please listen.
I hope so.
All right, and now Ella, don't worry, we gotta get salt. So we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of salt. Ella, can you hold this for mommy, please? Hold it over the bowl. All right, and we're gonna shake a 1/4 cup of salt.
I would not eat this.
No, that would be very salty. Go ahead and dump that in.
Could I get
Yep, you'll have a turn.
only if my
All right,
hurts
and then
again.
nutmeg. We need 1/8 of a teaspoon. So that's really, really small of nutmeg. I'm sure it's just to give it a little bit of flavor.
That's so small. It's like
It is so
this
small.
small. It's like this small, just the teeny of the baby.
It's a tiny, tiny little bit. And
Whoa, is
here
it
we go.
This? Is it this?
I do have 1/8 of nutmeg, okay?
Can I do this now, Alex?
Yeah, it's Ella's turn to do this one.
Okay, and then
All right, Ella. And the nutmeg is going to give it that flavor. All right, Ella, dump it in.
And I can do this.
All right, in a mixing bowl, whisk together for 20 seconds. All right, wait 1 second. Alex, ready? You both are going to get a whisk for 20 seconds.
We go far?
Yep, hold on 1 second. Ready?
To whisk.
Hold on. Go ahead, whisk it up. Good job. We're also doing a little TikTok here while we do our video today. Good, whisk it up, mix it all together. Then we're gonna put that aside. Then I have my big mixer over here. It says we need to soften some butter. So we're gonna take our butter.
Can I do this?
All right, yeah, you guys can both help me. All right, so we need 10 tablespoons of butter, and I got this big old thing here from Sam's Club. I don't even know what 10 tablespoons is. So 10 tablespoons. We're just gonna cut it right. I don't know if that's enough. Hold on. 10 tablespoons is 140
Wait,
grams.
we're almost done.
Almost, yeah.
That was so quick.
Yeah. All right, we're just gonna do it right here. We'll see. I don't know. We're gonna estimate. Hold on, we gotta melt it. So it says this has to be softened. It's pretty softened. It's pretty good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're not going to put it in this one. This one's all mixed up. That's gonna be set aside. Now we have to put it into
The one
electric stand mixer with together butter and sugar. So I hope that's enough butter.
Yeah, she hopes so.
1 tablespoon or 10 tablespoons of butter.
10 tablespoons. Get your badges
I
right
actually
here.
don't think that's gonna be enough. I think we need a
Here's
little
your
bit more.
badge.
Is that your badge?
Stick it on.
Should go ask Daddy.
Stick.
We can find out
Oh,
how much.
don't stick it on the computer.
Yeah, please don't stick it on there, honey.
Stick.
Thank
I
you.
sticked it on you.
Oh, you stuck it on someone for their badge. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do
And the
sugar.
liquor.
Flour is done. We're gonna
Oh.
Alabella.
What?
Thank you.
I'm just so silly.
All right, ready? Now we are going to move Giraffe, please.
Jesse,
We need some sugar. So we need a 1/2 cup of sugar.
Jesse,
So
1 pie.
we are going to do 2 of these. All right, we're going to dump that in here. Move our big mixer over. Good, we need 1 more of those. So 1/4 cup, boys and girls, and 1/4 cup is going to be 1/2. Excellent, good job.
Now we have to mix it.
All right, so now we're gonna pull that down. We're gonna lock it up. Whoa. All right, we're gonna mix it up real slow. We're gonna mix up the butter and the sugar together. All right.
That's so.
What
It's so quiet.
It is quiet, isn't it?
Put
So
your
it's,
nose back. I too.
hello, Furman. Go wash your hands.
I didn't see so.
I know you didn't. All right, we're gonna mix up that butter and that sugar until it says until it is slightly pale and fluffy. All right.
Whoa, it's so fluffy.
Then we're gonna do 1 egg at a time.
Can I do 1 egg?
Yes, you can add 1 egg in at a time.
Actually, I don't want to add 1 egg. I don't want to go back and wash my hands.
All right, don't touch anything yet. Don't touch it. We have to wait till that is mixed up. All right.
Look, it's so soft. Like smooth and soft. Like a big river ocean. See? Smooth.
She always washes her hands, huh?
Can we do it really fast?
Let's see.
So
All right. It's getting light and fluffy. Whoa. I'm actually going to get a spatula and we're going to move it all around in there.
Can I do the spatula?
Yeah, Ella, you can do it. Move it all around.
Can I do the spatula?
Just push it down, Ella, so I can
Okay.
turn the thing on again. All right, go ahead.
Can I turn the thing on?
Maybe I have the wrong one on there. All right, that's good. We'll try 1 more time, and then if not, if it doesn't work, I'll switch
Can I turn it on?
Yeah. Go ahead, Alex.
Oh,
Turn it
ha,
on.
ha, ha, ha.
There it
I
goes.
will save it from the knight in armor and shield. Do it really fast, like
Excellent.
See, like going to like you go like to 10.
Right? Super
Yeah.
fast, huh? Mix it up.
You go like to 10.
we need a different one. Just give me 1 second.
Oh, I just like when it goes to 10. Don't touch it.
Nope, we don't want to touch it.
Don't touch it.
So this is more for a dough hook. I'm not sure. We may need that in a minute, but right now,
I'm gonna use the
I think-
mixer. Can you do the, Mommy? Can you do the
if it'll go on
Can you do it
to 10.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna lift it up. Much better.
You go to 10.
No, we don't need to go too fast. All right. So then after that, we're gonna do 1 egg at a time, and then vanilla. And we need
And then we're done.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And now we're done.
Not quite. Why?
Just the place to go.
You want to just play
Yeah. That.
with the flour.
Yeah.
All right. So slightly pale and fluffy. It looks good. Alex, add in 1 egg. Nope. All right. Mix in an egg at a time. We're mixing those in. Very good. All right, Alex, go ahead. Mix that egg in. Hold on. There you go. You got it. All right, put that down.
It just looks like a crate of cookies. Oh, it's more yellow. Look at
It is yellow, isn't it?
You cannot be kidding me.
All right, now we're going to add in our teaspoon. Ella, here, you want to do this one?
Okay.
A vanilla.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
No.
all right. Okay. Add half the flour. So then this recipe calls for buttermilk. We don't have buttermilk, but they gave us a way that we could make buttermilk. So what it said is this one recipe, it says you can use a half a cup of milk
And then
and
buttermilk.
put some vinegar in it. So we're gonna do a half a cup of milk.
And then we have to mix it. Ah, we have to mix it. Woohoo!
You are silly, Ella.
It's a
So
button.
that's a 1/4 cup
Pot. I put it on the computer.
and a half and another 1/4 cup. So 1/4 cup and a 1/4 cup equals. Alex, let Alex do it. Stop. We'll go. All right, let me get you guys a towel. Hold on 1 second. Here, Ella. There you go. There you go, Ella. All right. So we are going to take that and 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. And we're going to make buttermilk. Never tried this before, but let's try it. Hold on, Alex, very slowly. 1.5 teaspoons. Oh, well, that was probably 1.5. We'll add a little bit more. You were a little bit powerful there, buddy.
Yeah, of course.
I will be careful, honey.
Of course.
All
It
right.
was too powerful. I know. I fold straight down, and you don't want to do that.
All right, so we're going to mix our
I just can't.
milk and our, here, I'm just going to use this one here.
I just can't stop.
All right, mix our milk and our vinegar, and we're going to make buttermilk. I don't know.
Mommy, I just can't stop thinking.
All right, so now at that, we wait for that to go. We are going to combine half of the flour.
Could I do
Wait,
this?
add half of the flour and mix just until combined, and then mix in half of the buttermilk. All right, so we're going to do a little slow at a time, okay? A little bit at a time. Mommy has to make sure that this is all mixed in. This is our powder. Good. All right.
Minnie.
So here we go. We're going to show some more
Mickey.
steps. All right, ready? Now we're going to mix some of this
Could
in
I
here.
do that song?
Whenever we're done, yeah.
Minnie.
All right, ready?
Mickey.
Mix in half of it.
Mickey. Minnie's bigger than
All right.
Mickey. No.
And then we're going to, hold on.
Because he has
All right, ready?
Mickey ears. Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to.
Woo!
Woo!
Mix
Hi,
it up.
Daddy.
Hi.
Over
A little let it grow. Making some donuts.
Mommy, it's 25.
Oh yeah. That's a 2.
Oh.
All right, look, our vinegar and milk is turning into buttermilk. We're gonna give that another second.
Yeah.
All right. And then after this, we're gonna add a little bit of buttermilk, a little more flour, and then the rest buttermilk. So let's see. Scrape down the sides and the bottom, fold in several times to combine. And then we're gonna pour it on to our pan for our donuts, all right?
And then we're going to bake it, and then we can play with the flour?
Yes.
I'm excited to play with the flour.
I
know. Sorry.
Hey. All right, so I think the buttermilk, I want to make sure it's good. Hopefully. Who knew? Vinegar and milk would make buttermilk.
I don't know.
I know. Learned something new today.
Let's learn something new day.
Mm-hmm. And then moms and dads, after we do the cooking, not only can we make a sensory tray while the donuts are baking, or even now, like if they're about done, make a little sensory tray for them, and then they'll be excited when the donuts are done baking. Do you think that was kind? No. All right, so we're gonna. I think we are
done.
No, not done. I'm just afraid I don't want to do this too soon.
Oh, I really want to be done.
All right, so what we're gonna do, moms? I am going to sign off for just a minute now. I will pop back on whenever we have our donuts. And our donuts, we're gonna put them on our pan in just like circles. We don't have a donut tray, so. We're just going to keep mixing the rest of the stuff here. We're going to put them on a pan, and then we are going to...
Play with flour.
They're going to play with flour. We're going to pop back on whenever we are pulling them out of the oven. All right. I hope you guys are having a great day.
Remember, guys, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. We'll see you in a little bit.
Okay. See you in a little bit.